Good morning. Today's a rather special day. We've sold our camper trailer and we've bought a caravan. So I'm off to pick up the caravan today in Coffs Harbour and bring it back to Port Macquarie. So I'm looking forward to that. This will be the first time I'm towing a full-size caravan. So it's a Jayco Journey Outback 19.61-2. Let's see how we go. I'm here at Paddy's Rest, which is on the way to Coffs Harbour, and I've stopped because I'm running an hour ahead of time. So I think pretty excited about this. We'll see how it goes, so more news later. Sam, our salesman, is just a little bit late. He's dealing with another customer, so here I am waiting. They've got a big yard here. I'll maybe just swing round and have a look. That's not working, is it? Go like that. Swing around to have a look. Nice big yard. And ours is somewhere out the back, I guess. Okay, so here we are just prior to handover. Everything's set up, so it looks really nice. And I'll just walk around it.
So we don't touch anything here.
So nice lighting up there. So clearly it's been very nicely prepared, what with the bed and everything. Look at those little lights under there. So you got the TV switched on. Yeah, we'll see about that. I'll be buying the chemicals and trying it soon. It's beautiful, very nicely done. There's some stuff in there, that's good. Two bottles. And the new DO35 on there.
But a lot of people worry about picking back up.
There's loads of pipe work, that's great. Okay, we'll see. This has to be one of the best aspects of the DO35 hitch. We can open our back door fully. I'm really delighted about that. So just a quick walk around, pretty much ready to go. It feels huge, but look, it's lovely. Well, here we are towing now, and it's a pretty big van in my view, but we'll see how we go. Taking the road back to Port Macquarie now. So here we go. just try and drive really smoothly and slowly. See how we go. So I did a little bit of practice on the parking ground right next to Watson's. So I think I've got a little bit of a feel for it. I can at least back up straight. That's good. Backing up, going around a corner is still a little bit of a challenge. So we'll see how we go. More news later. Just in a rest area on the way back to Port Macquarie. You can definitely feel the difference in weight between a camper trailer and a caravan, put it that way. I've been driving most of the way in fourth gear to keep the transmission temperature around 80 to 90 degrees. If I go in drive, so up to fifth gear, then the temperature tends to go up to round about 98 to 100. So yeah, we'll see how we're going. There's a bit of a learning curve here. I got home safely from Coffs Harbour. It was a good drive, and as I've said before in the video, it is a heavy van and it'll take a little bit of getting used to. It'll be parked out the front of the house for the next few weeks, and it will be used a couple of times, which is really great. I'll be going to some events from the Four Wheel Drive Club, and that's about it. Maybe the last comment is just that fuel consumption has gone up considerably in comparison to the camper trailer. Camper trailer, we'd be doing about 15 with the van, and having to drive in fourth gear, that looks more like 19 to 20 litres per 100. See you soon.